everyday thing. It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang.
What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Today, man, I got another Camaro video, man. That was a terrible shot of my Camaro. But anyway, I think I'm figuring out what it is that's wrong with it. So let's go ahead and pop that hood. All right. All right, so step one, what I want to do is I want to take off this alternator. All right, and I think that may be getting down to the nitty gritty of what our problem is. So let me go ahead and get all the bolts and shit that I need to get off of here. I got all type of shit hooked up to this thing. I have no idea. I don't know how to take this off, so we're gonna learn as we go. All right. If you know, I'm from Oklahoma, and if you hear that noise in the background, that means it's 12 o'clock noon on a Saturday, and Oklahoma is currently beating Nebraska 7-3. All right, so I was thinking about hooking up the radio while I'm out here, but it might be a little too much. Might as well do that. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, everyday people, man. We got the OU game playing in the back, so.
I was about to say before he punted it, Gabe and I have watched.
Turn it down just a little. All right. Let's go ahead and. I believe we should take that bolt off. All right, so we got this tool right here. Oh, that was tightening it up. Damn, that's crazy.
First down was a bad idea when it went incomplete. So there's some things that have happened that we've kind of inflicted on ourselves. I still think that offensively it's there. We got to stick with the run, and those passing plays are.
Man, I've never used this set of tools before because they don't never fit shit. And just so happened, it's the only thing I got to fit this bolt right here, which is crazy. Man. There's another one way down there. This one back in here. I need to figure this out. All right, everyday people. So I got the bolts off. There was 3 bolts. We had one right here. I had to move this to get the belt off. I had that one right here. And we had one in the back that goes through this thing. So there's a whole bracket, and that was a bitch to take off. But now I have this thing I gotta take out. I don't wanna break it. So there's a latch in the back. Damn, this thing is hard to film. There's a latch in the back. I'm finna hit that latch, pull that latch off, and that should pop right up. Alright, so let's use this. Alright, just like that. Alright, now, got something there. Man, let's see, one more piece is connected to the back. Let's see, how do we get there? Alright, that look like it's a screw. Alright. All right, so now we got the entire thing off now. This mug, I'm telling you, this is from 1996. We got the core. We're gonna go get the new ones. So this is gonna take $15 off. Go ahead, throw this in the truck. All right, let's go to AutoZone, baby. This right here. Yeah, I need a alternator for a 1996 Chevrolet Camaro. V6.
You got the value crap on your 160 for 115, or you got the
The value crab. Not a value crab, the value crab. No. This ain't a show car. It's I'm trying to get it on the road car.
phone number for you?
458. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a problem. Alright, there people. So we got the value crab remanufactured alternator. Shit, to read before you start. Yeah, man, we needed this. I bet you this is what was wrong and why my car was acting funky is because the alternator, man. I ain't gonna jinx it. All right, everyday people, man. So we back. I'm about to use this Total Air Fresh. I seen this single shot shit. So, oh, this ain't it. Yeah, it is. So we're gonna put this in here. Let's get this going. There you go. Ooh. Leave that in there for about 20 minutes, I think it said. I don't know. Yeah, so about 15 minutes had to be ready. All right, we still got the game on. OU game on. OU is definitely kicking some Cornhusker ass. So I'm gonna turn it down. I'll turn it down just enough so I can hear it. Damn, it look like I just bent my speaker. Whatever. All right. So let's get this. What is this? The value crab? Value crab, and you know, real men, we don't read directions. Alright, so this is what we got. Looks the same. Alright, so what I need to do, man, I probably should have did this before, was disconnect the battery cable. So let me do that real quick. Alright, got that. Now let's go ahead and put this bad baby back on. Alright. So let's start with this one in the back. Oh, hold on. Let's put this thing back on. Put that back in. All right, so we got that all tight on there. Now, let's wrap this belt back up. Man, don't tell me I'm gonna have to take this down. Oh, what to do, everyday people? I think a butterfly just landed on me for good luck. And it landed on my car, so we got double good luck. But man, if this belt was a bitch to put back on, but we got it. And everything seems to be put back in place. So now, you know what I'm saying, we got the bolts, all 3 bolts in efficiently. And let's go get the keys. All right, everyday people, man. We might have to give it a jump. We might have to give it a jump, man. Pretty sure we will. But let's see. Let me put this battery post back on. Damn. Yep, we gotta give it a jump. Son of a bitch. Let's give this bad baby a jump. I think we in there. We got the new alternator. It's gonna take a minute, but it's gonna keep that battery charged. Now, I don't think it was working before, so that's why the battery kept dying. Ooh, I think we got action. All right, I think we closer, dog. We closer to figuring out what the fucking problem is. This is some bullshit. Let's let it charge up a little bit. I think we got gas. That belt is bad though. Look at it. You see it rusted in a spot where it was probably sitting for a long time, wrapped around one of those spots. So this belt is pretty old. But I think this needs a few minutes to charge, and I think we're gonna get some action, bro. I think we're gonna get some action. If we get some action, we pulling this motherfucker out the driveway today. All right, YouTube, tell me why this ain't turning over. Is it not getting no gas? Is something not telling it what to do? Let me see how much gas I got in this guy. I'm sure it got gas in it. I'm not sure how much though. All right, let's see. Let's give it a shot. Put the gas cap on. Man, so we know now. Man, see, it wanna start, man. What's the damn deal? Dude, what can it do to get a jump? I mean, what can I do to make that motherfucker just Nigga, we almost got it. Woo! Alright. Ah! Boy, if I ain't a motherfucking mechanic nowadays, I think my battery was. Oh my God. We about to put the 28s on the goddamn Camaro, cuz. Let's get this motherfucker out here. I'm gonna let it charge up for just a little more. I think that battery's just too dead to let that mug get the proper crank. And we're gonna see. Let's get this mug rolling. Man, I don't know what to do, man. All right, YouTube world. Somebody do your thing, man. Help your boy out. Help your boy get the Camaro started. We knocking it down. Shit, I'm gonna have a whole new damn everything by the time I figure it out. Let's see, I've changed the oil, I've changed, you know what I'm saying, now that the engine's been replaced, I've changed these. Maybe I need to change this one. The air filter, you know, we got the new cold air intake, I mean, and then, man, I don't know. Spark plugs is all new, man. I wonder if the spark plugs and shit is new. You know what I'm saying? Like, is this shit new or not? But I guess we're gonna figure it out next time on the Everyday Thing show. All right, everyday people, man, I'm gonna holler at you. Peace.